Welcome to Wells Quick Tips and Trick cooking channel, and today I am going to show you all how to make mutton cafreal. And for that what we need 1 kg of mutton. So I have taken this like this chop style, so you can take any cut piece. Then what we need for our cafreal masala is 1 bunch of coriander leaves, 1 pod of garlic, 6 of green chilies. You can take more or you can take less. 1 lime juice. This is like 16 of peppercorns. Again here you can take more or less. 1 cinnamon stick, 3 of cloves, little bit of tamarind, and 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. And then here is 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder and 1 bunch of mint leaves. So 1 bunch of coriander leaves and 1 bunch of mint leaves. तर मानता तुम्ही हे जाण आसा रेसिपी आमची मटन काफ्रियालाची, चिकन काफ्रियालाची ऑलरेडी आसा. सो हे जावन आसा सामग्री आमकां जे जे जाय. 1 किलो मटन, इल्लोसो आमचो हळदीचो पिठो, एक आख्खी बोई आमची लोसणीची, एक लिंबू, हरी मिरची, ही आमची ओली कोथमीर, मागीर हें जिरें, ही जावन आसा मिरयां, ही जावन आमची कालाफुरा, ही जावन आसा तिखी, इल्ली आमसाण, आनी ही जावन आसा एक बंच आमचो पुदिना. ओके, मिंट लीफ पुदिना. So let's grind this all and we'll marinate our mutton with salt, turmeric powder and ginger garlic paste. So we take 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, salt to taste, lime juice, so now this is tender mutton. So if you are taking a bigger mutton, then you will have to cook this in a pressure cooker first and then apply the masala and then fry. So this is like tender one. Let's grind all this. I'm not using vinegar because I'm not going to preserve this. If you are going to preserve this masala, then don't add water, add only vinegar. So this is my masala ready. Now add this. Now we will marinate this for 2 hours and then we fry this. Fry this and cook this because this is mutton. Chicken becomes easily, but mutton will take time. So if you want, you can just pressure cook and then you can do. If it is like zun तरी तर बोकडो आहा जाल्यार तुमकां मातशें प्रेशर कुकरान मारून घेयात 4 सिटी आनी मागीर शिजोयात, भाजात. Okay, so we'll leave this for 2 hours. You can leave it overnight also. After 2 hours, So you take sufficient oil, like around 4 tablespoons of oil, and we will fry our mutton into this, and keep the thick masala for last. Okay, don't add, I'll show you how to do. Now we will let the oil become hot. So the oil is hot, we'll add everything. And whatever water is there for the mixer, no, that you can keep for, you can add here now. So this masala which is there, I am keeping it for the last. Okay, now we will cover this. We will cover this and cook this. So water to be added is the mixer water. So 1 cup of water, 1 to 2 cups of water you can add, because mutton has to be cooked. So this is I am adding 1 cup, but if needed, please add. Now let it get cooked. With this only, I'll cover. So we'll cover and cook this for till the mutton gets cooked. So 20 minutes at least it will take, though it is tender. But if your mutton is not tender, then please cook first in pressure cooker for 4 whistles. Then you can do this procedure. Exactly after 30 minutes, our mutton cafreal is ready to go in the plate. So now we will place it in a plate, and so the oil also has been released nicely, and it is cooked nicely. So let's remove this in a plate. So now this, we can serve this oil like this. And the masala can be served extra over here. Okay, and the remaining what I am going to show you now. Please come in with me in the kitchen. So now in this masala, we will add this masala and fry. So if anybody wants it to have more gravy, sometimes with bread, then this is very, very needed. Some people like gravy, so you can serve this extra gravy then. So jenka कोणाक extra gravy जाय न्हू, like आमचे फ्लोरंटाइन हा गोंया सालिगांव, सो थिंगासर extra gravy मागता चड करून पाव बरोबर खाता म्हणून. काफ्रियल mostly goes well with पाव, goan rolls, even pulao goes well, but yeah, mostly there it is served with pav. So you can make this extra and serve it like whoever wants, and you can add little bit of water to this cook this for few minutes till this masala changes the color. Okay, add water to this. Okay, so add water like half cup, whatever the masala was there for the plate, that only. No need of salt or anything, just cook this. So I will show you how to then do the plating, okay, with what you can do. So here is a plating of our mutton cafreal served with some hash brown and tomatoes. And as I told you, if you need gravy, then there is gravy also. And here is our extra gravy to go with Goan pound. So enjoy. Thank you so much.